Welcome, my friend. If your body has been holding on to tension, buzzing with anxious energy, or stuck in that wired but tired state, this few-minute somatic shake-off is going to help your vagus nerve reset and bring your system back to safety fast. Now, you don't need any gear, just your body, just your breath, and a willingness to gently let go. All right? You can use this at any time throughout the day. Let's begin. First, stand or sit with your feet flat on the ground. Feel the weight of your body supported by the earth beneath you. Take one slow inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth like you're fogging up a mirror. Good. Let the shoulders drop. You are here and now, not in the future, not in the past. You are safe here. Now gently begin shaking out your arms. Nothing forced, nothing dramatic. Just a light, loose shaking. Like you're letting stress drip right off of your fingertips. Let the wrists be soft, elbows loose. Let the movement be sloppy, relaxed, almost silly. Good. Keep breathing naturally as you shake, letting the body know, I don't have to hold this tension anymore. If your mind starts wandering, that's okay. Come back to the rhythm. Good. Now let the arms slow down. And now let's shift the movement into your legs. You can't see my legs, but I'll give you the instructions here. Let's shake out one leg, then the other. That's right. Now the first one again. And the other, and let's keep this rhythm going. Let your feet tap the floor however they want. If you lose your balance, that's fine. Just come right back to this rhythm. Imagine shaking the anxious energy through your legs and out the bottom of your feet. Your body has permission to release now. Good. Now let everything shake together. Your arms, your legs, your torsos, a gentle full body shake off. However it feels right to you. Okay, it could look like this, it could look like that. Loosen the jaw, let your shoulders jiggle, let your belly move naturally, let the movement travel through you like a wave. This is what animals do after stress. This is what the nervous system understands as resetting. You're telling your vagus nerve, it's safe now. You can relax. Good. Shake a little more. Even if it feels awkward, that's where the healing is. Because we want to bring a certain spontaneousness and playfulness to this full body shaking. Almost there. And now, slow the shaking down. Let your body come back to stillness. Take a deep inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth with pursed lips, like a sigh of relief. Again, one more big exhale. And let the tension drain out of you. Feel your body now. Feel into what's going on in your legs and your arms, without judgment, without control. You've just performed a full somatic discharge, a natural primal reset for anxiety and nervous system overload. You did absolutely amazing today. Now take this calmer state with you into the rest of your day. Enjoy.